Hello everyone, it's your buddy Walt here with one of my famous walk and talks, and today we are starting a new series on 101 ways to be happy on a daily basis. Now, this is not some profound series, out of some great philosopher or out of some super, self-help guru, and rather it is just a life hack series. And I kind of turned to this one because I was in the middle of studying some different self-help materials, and I'm like, okay, let's take things back to basics for a little bit here. Let's just do another big 101 series because I love doing those kind of things, as I have done with 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself and 101 Ways to Transform Your Life by Wayne Dyer. So check out those series if you have not seen them yet. But this series is just a little life hacks kind of article you can get online all about just these 101 ways to be happy on a daily basis. So let's kind of dive into these. These are going to be kind of shorter videos overall. And yeah, but the thing is, I've used these kind of methods to really be happier, even with my kind of current state of just being happy almost all the time. So yeah, anyway, let's just dive into this series. Our first principle today is all about smiling. Now, I got a lot to say on this one, so I'll just dive into it. Smiling. So people think, okay, you know what, how am I going to be happier just by smiling? Like, I smile when I'm happy, but when I'm sad, I have a frowny face. If I have a frowny face, then how am I going to be smiling? Well, the thing about the brain, you see, is that it goes both ways when it comes to smiling, okay? You are going to smile when you're happy, but the other thing about it is when you smile, you will tend to be happier, okay? So it really does work both ways when it comes to the brain on smiling. So if you smile when you're feeling bad, okay, when you're just feeling down, if you can smile, you will start feeling a little bit better, okay? This is not a guarantee. It's not as, great as some drug that could force you to be happy instantly, but those things are not going to keep you happy forever in many cases. Anyway, the whole point here is just if you smile a little more every day, or whenever you're feeling bad, just try to smile. And you can use one of the techniques like the E technique. See, when you say the letter E, it causes you to smile. This is why a lot of kids tend to have phrases like call people, add an E to the end of their name. So you can say E because E will make you happier, okay? And so if you can use the letter E, then you just go E, then you're going to tend to smile, okay? It forces you to smile, and the psychology studies on that show you that you will be happier on a daily basis if you can just get yourself to smile. So there's a little how to do it. There's kind of the E technique. And yeah, if you can smile on a daily basis, you'll be happier. Anyway, tune in for our next video on our next life hack. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.